So for the plums cobbler, I've added about 700 grams of ripe plums, very juicy, and I had a pear left, a very juicy ripe pear, so I added that as well. So in total you should have about 800 grams of fruit. We have 75 grams of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, just to trap all those juices, touch of nutmeg, some mixed spice, of course cinnamon, right, and now I've buttered up my pie dish in advance. I'm going to mix them all up. This is the base of our little crumble. So that's done. And now we're going to move on to the filling, to the crumble crust, sorry. So for the crumble, 200 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of butter, 175 grams of sugar. So we're going to mix this in until they resemble breadcrumbs. Going to sprinkle some more brown sugar just for that crunch that I always say I love. And that's our crumble for this week. We're going to the oven 180 for about 45-50 minutes, I'll say, but do keep an eye on it. And once you think it's brown enough, take it out. I'll show you when it comes out, guys. So it's out of the oven, guys. As you can see, it's still bubbling. And it's all nice and crusty and golden. It smells amazing. And I can't wait to dig in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time. Take care of yourselves.